Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to clear your search history on TikTok at once. If you have a lot of your searches, and you didn't want anybody see that, and you want to delete, but you don't know how, you in right place. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. First go on your TikTok. Then go on search. And you can see your search history. You can delete this one by one, but if you have a lot, that process is boring. I have solutions for this. Tap on See More. And scroll down to find Clear All, and go on that. Now clear. And you are finished. So that is it for this video. If this video like you, leave a like and subscribe for new one. Goodbye.